Hi everyone. So in this video we will see a cybersecurity careers overview of career paths, like what are the career paths we are having in a cybersecurity and what are the roles are they, what are the day-to-day responsibilities of a cybersecurity professional and how many jobs are there. Okay. So as of now cybersecurity is a rapidly growing a field everywhere. So daily we are getting some cyber crimes, cyber threats is happening in the organization. Every organization, whether it is a small scale organization, a medium scale organization, or large scale organization, every organization need a cyber security professional. So either it's a security analyst or incident response or penetration tester, whoever it is, for every organization need a cyber security team nowadays. So first of all, what is cybersecurity? So first one, protecting the digital system. Cybersecurity focuses on defending computer systems and networks and data from the unauthorized access, theft or damage. So what we have to do is we have to secure the digital systems which having the sensitive information. And proactive defense, it involves implementing security measures, monitoring for threats, and responding effectively to security incidents, ensuring the elements of information security, that is confidentiality, integrity, and availability, that is a CIA triad. So, what are the demands cybersecurity roles we are having? Network security specialist. So, he is responsible for securing the networks and all. Ethical hacker is also known as a penetration tester. So, he is the responsible for conducting the simulations and securing the networks, systems, and all things. Security analyst, and he will responsible for monitoring and analyzing the security logs, events, and investigating the incident responses and all things. Weapon tester, VAPT analyst. Like this, we have a lot of roles are there in the cyber security. So how to get into the cyber security? First, you need to complete your graduate degree. So bachelor programs in computer science, information technology, and the next one, graduation, get some programs in cyber security, information assurance, computer engineering, advanced specialization, and the professional certifications like CISSP, Certified Information Security Professional, and Certified Ethical Hacking, and CompTIA Security Plus, CompTIA A Plus, to demonstrate and expertise your industry recognized skills, because these are the certification for every organization is asking. So if you see the cybersecurity job description, any it will be a differently. So they will ask for is CP, CISSP, CEH, and CompTIA Security Plus. Without these certifications, they won't mention the JD. So skill set development. So you have to improve your technical skills like expertise in areas like networking, programming, and database management and security tools. Your ability to identify and analyze the mitigate security risk and incidents, and you have a good problem solving skills and good communication skills also. So here you can see that average jobs we are having and what is the demand we are having and what kind of salaries we are getting. So by 2029 we are getting a 31% is just a just a assumption only. But by 2025 we are having the nearly 5 million openings for the cybersecurity professionals. So a competitive salary is from the range of $80,000 to $120,000 per annum. So cybersecurity career enhancement. So first you have to start with the entry level, that is a security analyst, incident responder, cybersecurity analyst or specialist. After that, mid-level advanced position like security engineer, penetration tester, or security consultant. On the senior level, there is a chief information security officer. So with that one, or a security director. And what are the day-to-day responsibilities for a cybersecurity professional? So first, they have to perform the vulnerability management, like identifying the vulnerabilities, exploiting those vulnerabilities, mitigating, patching, everything. And the network security, they have to configure the firewalls, routers, switches, SMTPs, everything. And the data protection, they have to secure the data which is stored and while transmit. Incident response, whenever any breach has been happened in the organization, they have to respond immediately, and they have to analyze the data and security incidents, including the data breaches. So this is what we are having the careers and the paths we are having, how to, what is the day-to-day responsibilities in cybersecurity professional. So these are the things we're having. So I hope you guys understand. Thank you so much.